Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Galaxy 12 on the bench. I bought from Shop Goodwill. You know how risky it is. That place sometimes will not pack typewriters right. They did not pack this right. It came in the Samsonite carrying case, but it had no cushion. It was just the box and the case. It was ridiculous, but it actually survived pretty well. The case is smashed in where the handle is in the front, pretty common, but typewriter doesn't work. I have a broken arm here that's laying in the thing, and it's a little messy down there, but so it spaces, and guess what, even the power space works. Look at this. Okay, but it doesn't type. Ooh, that letter is frozen. Oh, that was stuck, and it's sticking, but it doesn't space. That one's sticking too. Now that one's stuck. Oh no, it needs more than I thought. But this is what I was going to show on camera. No space when you type. So let's investigate together. And I gotta believe this is going to be something pretty simple, because these are my favorite machines, and you know, it's just got to be something. Got a jarred here, I think. Not sure what, because shipping damage is always a wild card, and never know what's going to get dislodged, or just really don't know. I'd just be guessing if I was to guess. All right, let's get this screw out of here. Okay, let's see what we can see. Okay, let's see what we can see. Throw a little more light down this direction. Tilt this down. I have a feeling it's down here somewhere. Well, everything looks about right. Okay, so space bar works. All right, let's see. Yeah, and that triggers this lever right here, triggering the space bar. Okay, let's try type bar and see. So type bar is moving this lever, and then it should be moving this for space right there. And it's not. I wonder if it's just the ribbon sticking. See this not turning up here? If this sticks, it's turning, it won't space. It jams. I wonder if it's just a ribbon jammed. Let's see. So to eliminate this, we're going to remove the ribbon, which is a mess anyhow. And let's see if that works. Nope. Okay, so it's something else beyond the ribbon issue, potentially. All right, let's look a little further. Type some more on it. Let's get a type bar that works. Up here somewhere. Nope, that's not working. Oh, it's sticking. It works. So I have a feeling maybe this is just bent. See, it's moving this arm pretty good when it types, but it's coming nowhere close to this trigger arm. And it looks like, so even at full throw, when I use it manually, it's not enough to trigger that. So I think this is just bent somehow. Somehow this got bent. Let's give it some tweaking with the bender. So it looks like it should go closer to that mechanism. So the safety lock. Oh, maybe it's got to go down. See the, okay, I gotta see it better now. If you look at this trip right here, there's actually a lower piece here, and I think this is now got to be bent down. Oh, I can't get to it. Let's just try to try another bender right here. It won't fit under here. Okay, so this has to be bent down. There, just like that. You see how far I bent that down, and see that other ledge there? So now it's going to space. Probably should go down a little further. So I'm just going to push that down. Carefully, carefully. There we go. I think that's going to do it. Don't know exactly in shipping how that would get bent. Maybe it was that way to begin with. That's it. Okay, so this still needs a little bit of attention, but that was the primary reason for this video. So these are all the adjustments, all kinds of adjustments down here for an escapement. Trigger right here. There's another adjustment over here. There's another adjustment over there. Another adjustment over here. So that was it right there, though. And then this is the line lock right here. So when that gets triggered, it blocks it from moving. This can also get out of adjustment pretty easy, but at least with Smith Coronas, it's all pretty accessible. The power spacing on these is right here, and this whole mechanism, this is kind of a pain on these models, and it blocks access to a lot of the mechanism, and half the time they don't work right. What breaks on these constantly is this little plastic piece. Of course, it's plastic right there. This little piece breaks, and there is no substitute for that. But all right, so this is the video of the day for not spacing while typing, but I'm still not sure how that got bent up in shipping or in any, for any reason. I don't know how that would get bent up, but it did. All right, good nice blue machine. I think I will be able to revive this thing completely and make it almost as good as new. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.